Property Owner Files, Season 5, Episode 6, Finale. What was I really building? Is being a landlord really worth it? Season 5 wasn't about making more money. It was about asking better questions. Not how to grow faster, but why we're building at all. This is the final file of the season. Welcome back to Property Owner Files. What was I really building? For a long time, I thought I was building a portfolio. Properties, cash flow, equity. That's what ownership looks like from the outside. But somewhere along the way, I realized something uncomfortable. I wasn't just building assets. I was building habits, stress levels, a lifestyle. Today's file is about the question that changed everything. What was I really building? Stay until the end, because the answer isn't about real estate at all. And if this season helped you think more clearly about property ownership, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share. Part 1. The illusion of progress. Growth feels like movement. More deals, more leverage, more activity. But movement isn't direction. I was busy, but not always intentional. Ownership kept expanding, but life wasn't getting simpler. That's when I realized progress without purpose eventually feels empty. Still watching? This is when the question changed. Part 2. What ownership quietly builds. Ownership builds routines. How you spend your mornings. How often you check your phone. How much mental space decisions occupy. These things compound faster than equity. And if you're not careful, you wake up with assets that own you. Still watching? This is where clarity arrived. Part 3. The moment I stepped back, I stopped asking, is this profitable? And started asking, is this sustainable? Not just financially, emotionally, mentally, over decades. That reframed everything. Still watching? This is where legacy thinking begins. Part 4. Defining what matters. I wasn't building wealth for its own sake. I was building time, flexibility, optionality. Once that was clear, ownership became a tool, not an identity. Still watching? This is the real finish line. Part 5. The real lesson. Real estate isn't the goal. Clarity is. Season 5 was about stepping back far enough to see what ownership is actually shaping. And this is where the channel changes. Because once you understand this, the question isn't how much more you can build. It's how intentionally you want to live. I thought I was building property. I was building a life. Season 5 was about refinement. Season 6 is about transition. What happens when clarity turns into responsibility? Subscribe, turn on notifications, and open the next file when it drops. This is Property Owner Files.